Okay, in this video we're going to show a few tips and tricks in Planswift that might help you as far as doing takeoffs. For this one, I'm going to show you about doing arcs. As you know, when you do a takeoff with an arc, you click on the A, and then it can be difficult sometimes to get it to go where you want it. So to avoid that, what you can do, simply do it straight, without pushing the A, and then you can pick it up from here with an arc point, and that helps get it more exact what you're looking for. In another case, like on an oval like this, pretty much the same thing. As long as you have a box, and then you can pick up your arcs from there. Okay, now another condition is when you have a set of plans where that you have walls that are on an angle like this, a lot of times when you go to do a wall, it's difficult to get it to go on the angle that you want, unless of course you do freehand or push shift. But if you have a lot of walls with this condition, what you can do, especially if you want to keep it on ortho, is you go up to page, and when you see page, you'll see this levels sign here. So what you do is you click on that, and you click 2 points where you want it to level out. And that way you'll be able to do your ortho on these angled walls. Okay, now another thing that I would like to talk about is sometimes you get doing a lot of projects and Planswift can get overloaded sometimes. It starts slowing down and you've got a lot of data in there. I even came to a point once where Planswift told me I had no more data. So what you can do is you can remove jobs and save them for another time. So if you go to your this PC and into Windows and 186, and you look for your Planswift, and then you go to Data, and down here you'll see Storages, and then you go to Local and Jobs, and then you can take these projects out. I usually do it by date, the older ones, take those out. And then I'm going to do a cut. And then I have a folder here where I put my PS files. And then at any time, if you need these back into Planswift, it's the same process. You just take them out of your other folder and put it back into the Planswift folder. Okay, well that's about it for this video. If you have any other things that you would like to know about Planswift, please feel free to leave me a comment. Also, you can visit my website. I'll have a link below on that. And, appreciate a thumbs up on this one. Thank you.